Hello, I'm Rajesh Nanavati, a pharma consultant. I specialize in pharma sales and marketing as well as learning and development. In fact, many people like to use the term training, but I prefer to use the term learning and development. Now, let me introduce you to Prescription Insight.
Prescription Insight is a pharma business consultancy project. This project of Prescription Insight has the advantage of my professional experience of last 4 decades. Basic focus of Prescription Insight remains on 3 major pillars: understanding, execution, and success. Success in pharma industry is eluded at various levels because of the execution failure. The prime reason for execution failure is a lack of understanding of the medical marketing principles. That is why we strongly believe that if the frontline workers like FSO and DM, if they understand the strategy, if they understand the medical aspects, if they understand the marketing aspects well, then it will help them in terms of execution, which leads to the success that everybody requires. That is why Prescription Insight modules have been built with practical insights, not theory, of how to get prescriptions from a doctor and how to build a prescriber base with a product mix. We believe that these strategies will focus on stable secondary sales leading to brand building. Our modules have been built in the field of marketing and sales management, like strategic directions, therapy or brand management, with a focus on execution excellence by field force. In addition, we also provide services for medical and marketing content development like visual aid, LBLs, medical manuals, strategy guides, updates, brand recalls, CME and workshop contents, etc. We also undertake strategy gap analysis for companies, divisions, or a particular individual, which can be customized as per requirement. Overall, in marketing and sales management, Prescription Insight helps in business and people development. In the sphere of learning and development, Prescription Insight has developed modules for management development programs of all levels of managers, including DMs, RMs, and ZSMs. The skill set development is extremely important on how to succeed in field situations, and modules have been developed for FSO, DM, and RMs in this particular sphere. Medical and scientific knowledge is extremely critical, and these ready-made modules for FSO, DM, and RM can be customized as per the requirement of the companies and individuals. A snapshot of the services of Prescription Insight includes marketing strategies, brand communication, and brand training. A critical success factor to convert this knowledge into success depends on the execution abilities by FSO, frontline managers, and senior managers. We can develop workshops customized for the requirement of the company or individuals for FSOs, frontline managers, and senior managers as per the subject requirement of the company. This snapshot provides, in brief, the services offered by Prescription Insight in various verticals. A more exhaustive list of modules can be made available on request. For any services of Prescription Insight, I am available on all digital and social media platforms. Please feel free to contact me.
Prescription Insight is a learning module which is meant for all pharmaceutical personnel and companies. At Prescription Insight, what we offer is a practical day-to-day experience and not just some theory. I'm sure you will realize that the modules have been created for understanding, execution abilities, and success through secondary sales and brand building. I thank you for the time that you have given for this particular video.